Okay, it is almost New Year's and I'm going to have to close out the year having to admit that in this year, my father taught me something new. You know, it's a little, us grown-up boys kind of don't like to admit that sometimes, but he really did. We went to visit him. The beautiful Miss Nikki loves champagne, and we pulled out a bottle of champagne, but obviously we didn't finish the whole bottle while we were hanging out with my dad. And so he went to the cabinet and pulled out this Kloveo champagne stopper and put it on the champagne, and it actually works. I didn't think there was anything like this. It was always like just a write-off. You opened your bottle of champagne, and if you didn't finish it, it was done. And we went back to it actually 2 days later to have another glass, and when you take this off, you release it, it pops just like when the cork is in the bottle of champagne. It was pretty incredible. Actually, they have technology in here from Pascal. I happen to remember Pascal because he's a mathematician, and they did back in the old days, a computer language called Pascal. And anyway, he came up with this theory where when the pressure on the inside of the bottle gets higher, it pushes against the rubber, makes the seal tighter. So the more pressure in the bottle, the tighter the seal, which works perfectly for champagne and bubbling wines. And another crazy one, just so you know, this is actually made in Italy on Amazon. Made in Italy, not in that other country. It is made, a genuine product made in Italy that actually works and is a great design. We're big fans of it. We've actually started gifting it to friends and family and stuff, and it's like always a big hit because nobody's seen this before. So in any case, if you're curious about it, this is definitely a really good one. It actually works. We would highly recommend it. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.